In 2007, we acquired a company called Dymo Phoenix, which was based in Maine. There was already a plant which had already some expertise in terms of manufacturing. There was a very nice building. The location was very good because it was close to Europe. Then in 2015, we established here the American headquarters for Modula. We are now a multinational company with more than 700 employees worldwide. We have 4 manufacturing plants, the bigger one in Italy, one in China, and 2 in the United States. We have about 9 direct branches all around the world, and then we have a network of more than 100 distributors all around the world, including the United States. Our chairman decided to invest more than $10 million in this plant for a refurbishment and installation of several automated manufacturing equipment. So we manufacture here entirely the whole product from A to Z. So our equipments are used in many different industries, and they're all used to facilitate it, to improve the control of the inventory.
So we at Modula manufacture 2 primary products. One is a vertical storage solution. It's an automated solution. And one is a horizontal product, so it's similar to shelving, but automated shelving.
It's a same concept of a vending machine, more or less. So you would type a code of the item you need. The machine would go pick up the tray where this item is located in, and then it would deliver out to the operator.
It's heavy automation, heavy security, and it literally allows for mistake-proofing inventory, transactions, and the like. You can call up any tray, laser systems that basically scan your barcode. They actually take, just simplifies all of the inventory and the accountability, and is tied into various different warehouse management systems and various different logistics management systems.
The need of having a manufacturing plant here is because we want to be able to be here and provide to our clients a very good level of service, a very short delivery time, and be close to our clients when the market is going to explode.
Our estimate is there are perhaps 300,000 companies in the U.S. that could utilize our equipment, and we think that only about 30,000 of those have been touched so far.
The most interesting dynamic of this facility in particular is its movement towards the transformation to Industry 4.0 with the heavy automation, the robotics, and the various different complexities of the flow, the lean system, the processes. We recently received ISO certification, registered, so we know that our processes are robust. The facility offers a unique opportunity to really work with some of the most complex machinery and automation in the world right here in Maine, and it's a really impressive manufacturing environment. The level of investment into these facilities during the COVID period has been, unprecedented.
Working with all our employees here in Maine, you can see people that are really committed, really loyal. They really want to make the company successful. It makes me proud to drive and lead a team of wonderful people.